Good afternoon, I am Federica. Today we are going to review the account of one of our traders, Roger. We already know Roger because this is the second review that we do for his account. So let's have a look at what happened since he first joined. He joined our Funded Trader program last September on the 9th, and let's have a look at his equity line. Roger was amazing because he straight away went one way up to hit his first 10% target in what was that? Less than 2 weeks, we can say. Then something happened because we can see that from his equity lines, from his equity line, we can see a lot of ups and downs throughout this period, throughout the month of September and October, and also November with us. Although eventually we can see how here, from the end of November, again Roger managed to hit his second target on the 7th of December. He was quite close here. He was up by 19% on the 26th of October. Yet something happened here because we can see a lot of ups and downs. Anyways, let's have a look at the statistics. So we have an average daily return of 0.14%, monthly of 4.15%, and a floating drawdown of 9.75%. Now, although it is a floating drawdown, we saw that from his equity line that there were a lot of ups and downs on his account. So who knows what happened? Maybe he had some issue with some pair in particular, or maybe it was just a difficult month for him in general. Let's have a look at the advanced statistics. So 376 trades overall with a profitability rate of 57%, which is good. An average win of 1920 pips, we can say, and an average loss of 22 pips. Okay, so almost the same. And regarding worst and best trades, we have October the 6th, he gained $810, while on the 10th of December he lost $1,600. But this, I believe, is already the third account that is managing with us, so we should not mention that until the next review. In terms of pips, we can see his best trade was on September the 22nd. He gained 115 pips, while on the 10th of November he lost 167 pips. Let's see from the summary on which pair he traded the most. And yes, pound yen, 286 position opened here. That, although he gained 128 pips on this pair, he lost in terms of dollars $1,542. So let's see which pair was was the most profitable for him. And yes, we can see definitely here these 5 trades that he opened on the euro dollar. He gained 84 pips, resulting in a profit of $1,411. And we can see also very good profits made on his position opened on the pound Aussie. 13 trades, he gained $675, as well as here 61 positions on the pound, on the cable, on the pound dollar. He gained 184 pips, resulting in a profit of $750. So very good. We can see, although I've also some quite big losses here on his 4th position open on the euro Aussie. He lost around 1k on this pair. Anyways, he managed to hit his target, so very well done and congratulations. Let's have a look here at the monthly gain statistics. He had a very good start, a very good September, and we saw that from his equity line. And then something started to go in the wrong direction for him, because we can see his gains slowly going down. But now the month of December was very profitable for him and is recovering. So We hope it was just a couple of months of defiance. I don't know if that's definitely not an English word, but yeah. Anyways, we hope the best for Roger, and also for him, we look forward to do the third review of his account.